Good morning to you all. Let's look at how the Google Classroom works. So the first and foremost, you go to your App Store or your Play Store. I am using Android, so I'll go to Play Store and I'll search Google Classroom. Google Classroom. So when it comes, I've already installed it on my device, so you can see it's written there, update Google Classroom. That is the green icon with a human being with a yellow outline. So you install it. I have already installed it. After installing it, you go to your home page or wherever you access your app from. Then you open the Classroom. After opening the Classroom, you will then click on Join Class. Join Class. Then enter the class code. The class code has already been pasted on the page. In order to be able to enter the correct class code, you should just copy and paste. The class code is KWOTMFD. Small letters. After entering the class code, you go to the top here, you click Join Class. If the class code is correct, it will take you to the Google Classroom. So this is the Google Classroom dedicated to Kwapman SHS1. This is where we shall be using for our assignment and our meetings. So if you want to access assignment, you go to classwork. I have not posted any assignment yet, so you can see there is no assignment. Classwork is at the bottom. Then at the bottom there, you will see people. That is your classmates. Those who have already joined, you will see their names and their classmate. You can see them there. Good. Basically, we shall be working on only the classwork. That is where most of our things will be. The streams is for announcement. Any announcement or any message you want to send to the group, you can do that at streams. Streams. Okay, so take note of that. Very soon I will activate an icon which will appear at the top right. It looks like a camera. So that one we will use it for our live meetings. Anytime there's a meeting, you go to the top right corner. There will be an icon which looks like a camera. Let me even activate it now. That has come. I activated it on the portal. So at the top right corner, see something that is like an icon. Anytime I want to do a live meeting, that is where you go to join the meeting, so that I explain every concept. Anytime I post a video, you can access the video at the classwork. So the videos for the lessons and everything will be at the classwork, and assignment will be at the classwork. So all of you should try as much as possible to download the Google Classroom. If you have any challenges joining the Google Classroom, you can let me know. Those who are using old iPhones and are not able to access the Google Classroom, you can use the online version. Just open your browser and then type www.classroom.google.com. I didn't spell the Google well. Google.com. Good. You have access to the online version. Let's wait until it opens. So this is the online version that's opened. Good. The class code is KO, small letters, KOWOTMF D. Then I click join class. So this is the online version. So this is the Craftsman School SHS1 class. It's the same thing. By this time around, the classwork, the streams, they will be up. But that's not a problem. It serves the same functions. It's not a problem. Good. If you have any challenges, you let me know. Thank you very much.